Hi, my name's Luke Graham. I'm the Managing Director and CEO of Strandline Resources. It's the first time that Strandline has had an opportunity to present at the Diggers and Dealers Conference, and it's a really exciting time for the company and our stakeholders, but and particularly our shareholders. Strandline Resources is on the cusp of production of our 100% owned world-scale Coburn Mineral Sands project in Western Australia, just north of Geraldton, and we are about 85% complete of our construction and planning to come into production of our first sale of HMC, so heavy mineral concentrate, in the December quarter, so the next quarter, the upcoming quarter. So that's why it's exciting. Right now, mineral sands pricing, so that's titanium, zircon, and there's also a rare earth mineral called monazite in our deposit. They're at record highs. The market is booming right now, and that creates a great opportunity. They say in business that timing is really, really important, and to be coming into production with such an awesome market dynamic, some big tailwinds, and the pricing is about 40% higher than our DFS numbers that were presented about 2 years ago. So great timing for us. The company is ASX listed. STA is the code. The project is a world scale asset. We 100% own it, Strandline Resources shareholders, and that's pretty rare for such a big scale project. About 40 years essentially of production targets. The bank case right now, we're fully funded into production, so that was made up of the Northern Australian Infrastructure Facility being our major lender. That's the federal government of Australia getting behind this project, being critical minerals, being in the northern part of Australia where they're trying to encourage investment. Also, it's our Indigenous engagement strategies, all those sort of things tick the boxes for them. Our environmental ESG approach is massive on their criteria. It's number one basically, and I know that German investors and European investors generally have ESG right at the forefront of their investment, and Strandline Resources ticks the box and some. So fantastic opportunity for us. Our financials, we are about 500 million market cap, so $500 million right now. Our net present values underpin over $1 billion market cap sort of company. So we are on this journey of potentially being re-rated as we de-risk it further into cash flows. No doubt about it. So we have our shareholder base. We do have UK investors. We have a bond that quite a few European investors. I'm not sure if there's any from Germany or that from now. We don't have visibility on that, but certainly a lot of support from Europe generally. But there is also some of the major mining funds in Australia, specialist mining funds and superannuation pension funds, those sort of things are getting behind this project because it is a major project globally. And it's got such a long life. So upcoming milestones is really just getting to production, and that is happening. It's right now. We're on the cusp of it. As I mentioned before, we're on the home straight. And why invest? Well, as you typically come into production, that's when we get the biggest re-rating. We are in the sweet spot in terms of a company's journey from explorer to producer. So game on. Really, the next 30-40 years of production, over 100 odd million EBITDA per annum, great foundation for Strandline's growth going forward.